opportunity to connect with customers and amazing people like all of you, I am constantly reminded that the Synergis experience extends beyond the four walls of our offices.
So this has been my second Adept experience. It's been really enjoyable. I think probably the most that I enjoyed was the ability to network with other folks and other companies. I also had the privilege of presenting some of the things we're doing at Dow, and the ability to share that and possibly help to influence the future direction of the Adept product has been fantastic.
I would say my best experience so far has really been the connections in meeting people from other companies, seeing how they're using Adept, possibly having some aha moments like I actually had this morning on how we can possibly improve our process based on how another company is actually using the system. So I think for me, I was really coming to get the connections and see how somebody else is using it that may allow us to, move forward in other directions as well.
The conference had great learning sessions, but in addition to that, we also had some really fun things that we were doing. Some exercises that really not only helped with the networking, but gave us ideas to take back to our companies and use there. Being able to work through an exercise like this and kind of get out of the data and into the ideas would help take us to the next level on some things.
The support people are incredible, and it's just the confidence level that I have in all the support people that I know they are going to get my problem that I'm having, very fast, again, which saves time. As far as I'm concerned, Synergis has the best support staff that I have ever been associated with any company.
And so we thank you guys for just an amazing event. I'd say we challenge you to take things that you learned, something you were inspired to do, commit to it. Come back next year and tell us about it. We hope we provided value, and we'd love to see you really implement that. So from all of us at Synergis, thank you guys.